Precision unleashed. In the Dnipropetrovsk region, a Tornado-S multiple launch rocket system from the Vostok group of forces struck a Ukrainian stronghold with pinpoint accuracy. The barrage tore through enemy fortifications, leaving the position engulfed in smoke and fire within seconds. Following the previous strike on enemy vehicles, another precise hit was delivered in the south of Volchansk. A fiber-optic drone targeted a Ukrainian Humvee, slamming into it with deadly accuracy. The moment of impact sparked a violent explosion. The vehicle flipped at high speed and was left burning, completely immobilized on the road. An airstrike shakes the front line. The Russian Air Force dropped a high-precision FAB bomb on Ukrainian military positions in the settlement of Kolomytsy-Dnipro region, destroying enemy defenses and shaking the entire battlefield. Guided by artificial intelligence, a Russian gunner unleashes the GSHG machine gun, bringing down a drone over the Black Sea. In the Svatovo-Kupyansk direction, the artillery crew of the Mesta-S self-propelled system, part of the Zapad Group's Tarnopol regiment, obliterated a Ukrainian stronghold. According to the battalion commander, known by the call sign Shaman, the crew struck critical targets, depriving Ukrainian forces of a massive cache of ammunition. Near Chervonoy in the Zaporozhye region, a Grad multiple launch rocket system from the 38th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade targeted and engaged Ukrainian positions. Artillery crews from the 123rd Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade of the Yug Group of Forces delivered a powerful strike in the Seversk direction, obliterating a Ukrainian UAV command post and an enemy dugout. The precision bombardment left the area engulfed in flames, effectively silencing enemy drone operations and eliminating personnel hidden within fortified positions. The strike underscored the accuracy and destructive power of Russian artillery in dismantling key enemy infrastructure along the front line. Russian drone operators successfully thwarted Ukraine's attempt to cross the Seversky Donets River. Their engineering vehicle was destroyed near Rayhorodok. Intelligence from the 57th Separate Special Forces Company of the 8th Guards Combined Army discovered an enemy communication antenna and temporary post in Mirnograd. An FPV drone quickly launched a precision strike, destroying the facility and leaving Ukrainian forces without communication or protection. Russian drone operators continue to work tirelessly, striking identified targets across multiple fronts with precision and coordination. In the Kharkiv region, FPV attack drone crews operating on fiber optic systems from the North Force Group eliminated clusters of Ukrainian infantry. Simultaneously, attack UAV operators from the Special Forces Unit of the Center Force Group carried out night raids in the Krasnoarmeysk direction, destroying both enemy personnel and equipment with remarkable accuracy. Drone operators from the 9th Guards Motorized Rifle Brigade, also part of the Center Group, successfully took down several heavy Ukrainian UAVs in the same sector, crippling the enemy's aerial reconnaissance. Meanwhile, in the Dnipropetrovsk region, attack UAV teams from the East Force Group intercepted and destroyed high-altitude fixed-wing drones of the Ukrainian armed forces. In Kostiantynivka, FPV operators from the Southern Force Group struck and destroyed a US-made Stryker armored personnel carrier along with a Ukrainian pickup truck. At the same time, FPV crews using fiber optic control systems from the West Force Group burnt a Ukrainian tank near Kupyansk in the Kharkiv region. Each operation demonstrates the growing dominance and precision of Russian drone warfare, leaving no safe zone for enemy forces across the front lines. In the Sumy region, a Ukrainian Humvee was caught in the crosshairs of a Russian drone. With precise coordination and steady control, the operator released the munition, striking the vehicle dead-on. In an instant, the drone's impact triggered a chain reaction, detonating the ammunition and weapons stored inside it. Double strikes. Rocket artillery of the 25th Army unleashed guided Tornado-S rockets on key Ukrainian crossings. The first barrage obliterated a pontoon bridge over the Seversky Donets near Regorodok, while a second strike leveled an earthen crossing over the Oskol River in Petrovka. Both targets were hit with pinpoint accuracy, cutting off enemy movement across the rivers in seconds. Russian forces launched a powerful strike. Using FAB bombs, they destroyed Ukraine's 155th OMRB unit in the Krasnoarmeysk area. A counter-battery battle is raging. A Lancet drone operator from the 2nd Artillery Brigade launched a precision strike, destroying a Ukrainian D-30 howitzer in the Platonovka area. Watch Russian FPV drones in action, tearing through everything in their path, even enemy UAVs carrying heavy payloads. Target locked. Moments later, the strike was launched, followed by a burst of explosions. These were Russian Geran drones, sent to destroy a Ukraine's 330 kilovolt electrical substation in Sumy region. In broad daylight near Kupyansk, the Russian army repelled a counterattack by Ukrainian forces. 2 M113 armored personnel carriers carrying airborne troops attempted to break through toward Russian positions, but UAV operators from the 6th Army of the West Group delivered precise strikes that destroyed the enemy vehicles. An operation demonstrated the accuracy and effectiveness of the Lancet system in neutralizing high-value artillery assets on the battlefield. Russian armed forces soldiers successfully destroyed a 155mm 2 S-22 Bogdana self-propelled gun belonging to the Ukrainian armed forces using a Lancet loitering munition. The drone precisely struck the target, causing a powerful explosion that engulfed the vehicle in flames. In the Krasnoarmeysk direction, the crew of the 240mm 2 S-4 Tyulpan self-propelled mortar from the center group of forces delivered a devastating strike on a fortified Ukrainian UAV command post. Guided by real-time reconnaissance from drone operators, the mortar crew unleashed precise fire that obliterated the target and silenced the enemy's control hub in moments. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching, and don't miss our upcoming videos.